Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fikri bin Sidek. I'm from Group 1 and I'll be in this video for you guys. I hope everybody is fine condition. What I want to present today is about my TDP project, which is automatic plant watering system. First, we must understand why the system was developed. First is to increase the agricultural industry in Malaysia. Malaysia has hot and damp summer all year around. So there are times when the land receive overwater and not enough water. With this system, you can control soil moisture and dryness. Land is very important in the agricultural industry. Now we turn to how the system works. The system uses Arduino Uno as its control the system. The system has a power supply which is a 12-volt AC/DC power adapter. The input from the system has two, which is from the soil sensor and the light sensor. Soil sensor will detect the value of moisture on the soil. Soil sensor will be placed like this. After that, the light sensor will detect the light and is placed here because it will easy to detect the light. Then the system has three outputs. The first is the LCD. LCD will always show the soil moisture value. The second output is a UV lamp. When the light sensor detects the absence of the light, then it will give a signal and it will trigger the light to light up. The third output is a motor. The motor serves as a water pump and it will pump the water to be watered to the tree. The pump will start running when the sensor reads the soil moisture value at 500 and will stop pumping when the sensor reading is at 400. At the same time, when the motor is on, the LCD will display watering, meaning the tree is being watered. This 12-volt power adapter is connected to the motor UV light and the Arduino. Motor and UV light use relays to get the signal from the Arduino. Okay, so now let's see how this system works. Firstly, this is the LCD display. The LCD display will show the value of the soil. After that, this is the motor. The motor will pump the water to water the plant. This is the water tank. This is the UV light. This is the light sensor. I will turn off the lamp now, and I assume there are no light here. You can see that the UV light will turn on. And now I turn on the lamp again and the UV light will turn off. And this is the moisture sensor. When the value of the soil moisture becomes 500, the motor pump will water the plant. In meanwhile, while the motor pump turn on, the moisture sensor will keep sense the value of the soil moisture. When the soil moisture at 400, the pump will stop running. Okay, we can see the moisture value is 497, so it is nearly to be watered. Okay, now the pump start running to watering the soils when the soil value became 500. Okay, this is how the pump watered the plant.